Hi guys, how are you doing? So today we're at the Bayfront apartments, and this is located in Portmore. So as you can see, this big building behind me goes all the way up to 10 floors. Alright, it's a 10-floor apartment, and it has a hotel feel.
Yes.
So come along with us, we're going to be showing you what it's like, and I hope you like it. Remember to turn on your post notification, give us a thumbs up on the video, and subscribe.
Right.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family.
Alright guys, so we'll be going in now to the lobby area. Right, so persons who know Portmore will be familiar with this building. Alright, this building has been around for a long time. Right, it was formerly the Forum Hotel. It was actually open, but they had stopped using it for many years. So the developers came in and they've done complete remodeling. They've changed all the plumbing, all the electrical work.
Revamped.
Yes, I'm making it much more modern. Alright guys.
So guys, remember to go over to Cassie Does Life. And remember, over there we talk about life, alright? So we talk about everything about life, girly stuff, hair stuff, skin stuff, everything stuff, alright?
Yep.
Talk about life over there, so come on over.
Yeah guys, so if you know like me, right, over there, so I just she over there. Alright, so she can tell you about how she get her hair done, everything like that guys. So you can definitely go over to Cassie Does Life and have a look.
Yes.
But of course, we'll be now taking a tour of this Bayfront apartments. Alright, so this is the lobby area. Very modern feel.
221 vehicles.
Yes, so we'll be going up to the model unit. Alright.
Hey guys, so I wanted to let you guys know about this exciting channel that we found, Cliffy's Kitchen.
Yes.
Now, link to this channel is in the description box. People like Adrian, who can do a little thing, but need a little, a little more help to cook some dish that I like salmon.
Guys,
right?
Them go out of the box with the dishes that we see over there.
Yeah.
Alright, you can look behind us, right? All the different dishes what them do. I might tell you say the thing them turn up guys. So Cliffy's Kitchen, link is in the description. Go right over. Give them a subscription, alright? Give them a like as well, and yeah guys. So, this newly done elevator.
I think the first floor they're doing some electric.
So you have both type of
units on each floor. So 4 studios, 4 one bedroom, 4 two bedroom.
Yes. So when you exit to floor 1, this is it.
But he's coming to open the mother units for me.
Okay. Oh, so we can go inside?
Yes. Alright, so this is a studio. No, one bedroom.
Oh,
Okay.
this is one bedroom.
One bedroom apartment.
So the end of the kitchen is right here.
There's both 1 and 2 come in 2 bathrooms.
Okay.
Okay. And this
One
is
here and one here.
What's the cost for these?
The prices vary. Started 131,000 US for the 1 bedroom, 138,000 for the 2 bedroom. But it varies now depending on the view. The ceiling is more expensive.
Okay.
And then the floors as you go higher.
Okay, so starting at 130.
31 and 138,000.
Nobody know? That around 20 million.
Yeah.
Okay.
we have the first bathroom right here.
Yes.
We have a walk-in shower.
Yes.
You go.
It's decent.
I noticed that on the mirror there is a pour sign.
Sorry? Yes.
Yeah,
It's
port side.
also, you touch it and it lights up.
Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, like that. Oh, cool. Yeah. That's cool. Alright. And the stove will be here.
And behind it.
And the refrigerator, this is the space for the refrigerator. Alright. So, 680 square foot?
689.
689.
Is it supposed to be a washroom?
Oh yes.
Washroom, right.
Like a standalone. But there's also a common wash area on each floor. So in addition to your closet,
Okay.
we have token machines you can wash them.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay.
Yes.
And what is this room, Michael?
That's a utility closet. The AC unit and the water heating section.
Okay. Of course, these are the first floor units. The first floor units will have balcony. It's not completed yet, but you notice some work has already started on that, right? So the external section will be put on. So we can't go out there now because of the hazard. So the door is not open.
Yeah.
Yep. So we're now going to the model unit. So that's an empty unit.
So this is the one bedroom.
Model unit, okay. Alright.
And then this is a two bedroom.
Okay. Alright, so this is the one bedroom model unit. So it's basically the same like the one that we were just in a while ago. But dressed up.
Yeah, there's a table. And it's a sitting area. And of course you have the alternates. There's a space that you can use for your washroom if you want your own personal washroom. Or it can be a nice little closet. Right? Yeah. Or you need some extra storage, extra space. This is the bedroom space, and again there's a balcony area.
Right, because again we're on the first floor, so all the first floor units have the balcony.
And there's two closets. So there's a mini one over there, so a mini space. So that, I guess you can convert that to a living closet, to be honest.
It's for the water heater, I'm saying.
No man, not that space. No,
Oh
that
yeah, true, closet, yeah.
That closet.
Yes, closet space over there. And to the back there's a walk-in closet.
With your bathroom.
The switch. I'll take it off. But yeah, the bathroom is same. Yeah. You know, this look different, you know, the glass look different, but alright, look at the light that in there. Alright.
Therefore, you just don't think on our own.
Alrighty.
This is the two bedrooms, the two, and it's the same size?
Same, yeah, same layout.
Okay.
Oh, this is another bathroom here. The other one on the other side. Oh, no light. Okay. There's no electricity, guys, but nonetheless, basically the same kind of layout like the empty unit on the other side that we showed you.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a two bedroom.
It's two bedrooms.
Okay.
I like the color.
Yes.
I like the cabinet color.
Look this
I like
way.
I like the colors and I like the backsplash.
Yeah, nice. Yeah.
And really get your fuel wood.
Yes.
Are you really sure? You know, we are like
I'm sure sometimes
No lights.
they work.
So they're working on electrical supply. So
but
the bath
was the same. The same as the empty unit that we showed. And this is a living room here area, which is pretty much the same again. And this is where you have the difference. Two bedrooms. So you have, I'm guessing that this is the master.
decent. And again, guys, lighting is an issue because they're doing some work.
Yeah. So you have a queen size, I'm assuming. Queen size bed, 2 windows. And you still have your walk-in. And the same bathroom. So the bathroom is exactly the same. as the one that we would have showed before. And you're gonna see that image on your screen. So this is gonna be the master room, and you still have your smoke detectors in the ceiling. And your
Sprinkler.
sprinklers.
Yep, sprinkler system, recessed lighting.
And this is the second bedroom.
It's nice, decent.
And this is the view. So you actually have a sea view right here.
Yes.
I'm going to put you the sea view of the sea.
And they'll be developing the waterfront area. Right, so to have a better look pretty soon.
Yeah. And of course, because it's an apartment, Mr. Courtney, you can only use an electric stove.
Electric only, yes.
So only an electric stove here. Alright. So this is basically what all and only, you only have one bedroom and two bedrooms available. Exactly, and this is what everything will look like. So the difference though would be the floors.
Yeah, right. The prices will change with the floor and also the view.
The view of the
view
sea.
is less expensive than the sea view.
Okay.
So there are a lot of price variation.
Okay.
Now which one you choose?
And it goes up 2 stories?
10.
10 stories.
Mm-hmm.
Goes up 10 stories. So what's the price of a 1 bedroom on the 10th floor?
It's like 143,000, right? City view. And then you have up to like 53,000
For the ocean
for
view.
the ocean. Yeah.
Okay.
And the 2 bedroom?
2 bedroom is 145. So the variation 1,000, 2,000 US, depending. And then the city, you have up to 170
Okay.
on the 10th floor.
Alright.
Oh, thank you very much, Mr. Courtney. So now we're
Yes.
going
You're
to
welcome.
show the other amenities. So the amenities are,
And of course, guys, there'll be a link in the description. So for further details, you can always, we're going to be leaving a contact for Mr. Courtney in the description. So you can refer to that. Alright. Alright guys, so this is the lobby area. So when you enter through the door across there, and you will interface with this reception area.
Yeah, so this
Right.
is the reception area. Of course, you have seating here, straight to lobby.
Yes. And
Hotel-
remember
hotel
this.
feel.
Yes, this was previously a hotel, and of course it has been renovated, and they've put in completely new plumbing, electrical work.
Yeah.
Everything is basically redone.
And this is the
That would be the gaming lounge.
gaming lounge.
Yes.
The gaming lounge.
Okay, they're still working on it.
Yes. And we have a gym outside.
So all this furniture for the lobby area will, be uncovered. So it's like a very nice chill area. So even if you have guests that they haven't been granted access yet, they can still have a comfortable time waiting.
We
Alright.
have outside. So this is just the sea view to the left. And what is
Pool areas around there.
pool and bar?
Alright.
The bar area, grill area, that's the pool office. All of this will be part of the amenities.
Okay.
So this place is still under construction, guys, so don't mind the appearance too much. Right, there's still some paint work to be done.
Yeah.
And landscaping as well. So, but in short order, all of that will be done.
Yeah.
All right. And this is the Forum Beach.
Yeah, there's
But the beach is close to the public. Actually, I used to come here. This used to be a fishing beach, and I used to come here as a child. Right, but all this place will be cleaned up and looking nice. But Mr. Courtney is saying that, so Cass is just mentioning, it would be nice if there be like a marina. But of course the homeowners, or should I say the apartment owners,
Yeah,
they'll be the ones, the
association.
association will be the ones who would come up with that. So persons who might wanting to bring their boats over can, you know, can do so. It's a thought, but the homeowners or the apartment owners will be the ones who will have to do that.
Definitely. And this is they actually have a kiddie pool.
Yeah, so this is the adult pool. It's the pool area again, not quite finished.
Right, because it's still, it's not open for use. We're
Yes.
just maintaining it for
Yes.
them, you know,
Yes.
until it opens.
So when will all renovation, construction be finished?
Well, they're projecting like the end of March
This year?
this year.
Okay.
Okay.
2 months. Oh, by the way, these are the garden units.
Yeah, I mean, because
Okay. So they just like the apartment.
this garden area would belong.
And also
Yeah, so this will be grassed. This will be grass. These are the garden units. 15 of them, you say?
15 gardens.
Okay.
15 garden units on the ground floor. Yes.
And you have the bar area again.
Yes.
And,
And
of course, what are the other amenities?
Other than the gym, gaming lounge, pool, there's a kiddie play area.
Kiddie play
when you
area,
drive
okay.
in, where you
Yeah.
put in a paddle.
mhm.
Then
Okay.
basketball court, netball court as you come in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, and then the parking area would be
Okay.
outside.
All right.
All right.
So basically, the bayfront villas, actually, you know, it's one property. This is the bayfront apartment over here, and the villas over here. You know, one developer did all of this. All right. So I mean, Forum Beach is right here. You're basically right at the entrance of the Port Henderson Road. That will be carrying you to Kingston via the Portmore toll. So you're only around 10-15 minutes from Kingston. Alright. So it's very, very close, and it's a nice, you know, atmosphere. You know, it's different. So basically that wraps up our tour of the Bayfront apartments.
Yes.
Alright guys, so remember to subscribe to Cassandra's Cassie Does Life. Alright, link is in the description.
Yes, and
Alright,
turn
guys.
on your post notification.
Yes, please give us a like on this video and subscribe if you haven't
Yes.
subscribed as yet.
So if you watch at least 1 or 2 of our videos, I mean if you're gone 3,
Yes.
subscribe.
Yes.
You know, and turn on your post notification, because that way you know every single time we upload a video. You can't afford to miss it.
Alright guys, yes. Peace out.
Bye.